Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Nissan Murano and I will show you how to recharge the AC air conditioner by yourself. This video will apply to Nissan Muranos made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Now, to recharge the AC by yourself, first you will have to buy AC recharge kit, which consists of this AC recharge holes and couple of AC refrigerant cans. Now you can buy these kits at pretty much any car parts store, even Walmart, Target, or online. Usual price for whole kit is around $50-60. If you find it on a sale, I've seen it go as low as $25-30. The good thing is, once you buy it, you can reuse these holes as many times as you wish. Then for each recharge you will just have to buy these cans, which are usually in the summer $5-7 per can. Now, I will always advise you, it's a better idea to have the AC recharged by a professional shop, because they have all the right equipment. They can empty the system completely, connect to both low pressure and high pressure ports, evacuate the system, and then recharge it properly. This is the cheaper way to go away with it, and in this video I will show you how to do it. Okay, so how this will actually work: you will connect the can onto this side of the hose, just screw it on, and then you will connect the other side of the hose to the low pressure charging port. And once you do that, you will pierce the can by turning this knob all the way in, and then you will start the vehicle, turn on the AC, and slowly start releasing this knob, and that way the refrigerant will get into the system. Now I will show you how to do it. Okay, so like I said, first you will screw the can onto the hose all the way, but make sure not to pierce the can yet, because if you pierce it, the refrigerant will go out on the other side. Now you want to connect this side to the low pressure charging port. The low pressure charging port is located right here. It's gonna say L on it, so just remove the black cap, and now you will attach the other side of the hose onto this coupler. So just want to leave this and attach it on, just like this. Once the other side is attached, you will pierce the can by turning this knob all the way in. Just like that. And now everything is ready to start charging the AC. So here you can see the current amount of refrigerant in the system. So ideally you want to be in this yellow area. Now, depending on how much refrigerant is in your system, you might have to use just a half a can, full can, or even 2 cans. Really depends. You have to keep monitoring it. You don't want to overcharge it, because that way you might damage the AC compressor. So this is your golden area, the yellow one. And now proceed inside the vehicle and start it. Okay, so once you start the vehicle, you want to set the AC fan to the highest speed. First you want to actually turn on the AC. You want to turn this air circulation on as well. You want to set the fan speed to the highest, and of course set the temperature to the lowest, right? So this is what you want to do. And once this is all nice and set, you will proceed outside and start charging the AC. Okay, so I hope you'll be able to hear me, because the engine is running. So what you want to do, you want to turn this upside down and slowly start releasing this knob, and that will charge your system. This doesn't have to be done fast, just take your time with it. And keep monitoring the amount of refrigerant in the system. Now what I like to do, when maybe half a can is done, I like to take a break, proceed inside the vehicle and see if I see any difference in the air blown. Now it's a good idea just to try if you can feel the air being blown out, is it any cooler than it was before, right? And that will also give you some kind of a feeling if this is working out for you. Okay, in my case, I will be adding more refrigerant. I will empty this can and that should be enough to fill out the system. Okay, once you are all done and you're happy with the results, you can see how mine looks. It's blowing stone cold and I will not go over this. Now you can safely disconnect this. So first thing you want to do, you want to turn this knob all the way in. If there is still any refrigerant left in this can, then you can reuse it next summer or any other vehicle, or you can just save it, right? Connect it to the hose. And to disconnect this side, you just want to pop this off. That's it. And make sure to install the small black cap back onto it. And this is how you can recharge it. Now, in case you'll have to do one more can, if your system was completely empty, then you will again just unscrew this can and repeat the process from the beginning. So first you will attach a can, then you will attach this side, and then you will pierce the can and repeat the process. That's all you have to do. Now this AC recharge process will work for you in case there is no major leaks in the AC lines and your AC compressor is working. In case you have any bigger problem, unfortunately you will have to take a vehicle to a professional shop, because they have all the right tools. Like I said before, they can diagnose the location of the leak, or they can even test the AC compressor and see what is the problem. Now, in case you have a smaller leak in the AC lines, you can try using something like this. It's called stop leak. You can refill your AC system with this, and that should actually help to seal small leaks. So it says here, help seal and condition O-rings and minor AC system leaks. I tried a couple of times and it actually does work, but only for small minor leaks. And then you should be good for at least one summer, and then do it again the next summer, I guess. So that's also something to keep in mind. Okay, but that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and in the end it will help you to save some money. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.